This is the solution to the previous short, white to checkmate in 3 moves. For those of you who are familiar with my previous short, you will have read, doubtless, in the comments box that I have discovered that there are in fact 2 solutions to this problem. So what I propose to do is to reveal both solutions on here now. What we'll do, like I also pointed out in the comments box, is we'll add a couple of pawns judiciously. We'll put the pawns like that. Now, note that black is in stalemate in this position. Without the pawns, he'd be in stalemate. So we need to unstalemate him. What is the solution to this? White to checkmate in 3 moves and don't allow that black pawn to move. Well, we employ the Indian theme. We play king e6 and we're at once unstalemating black because now we've covered the bishop. You can go here. So how do we continue in this position? Well, now we play here. We unleash the check from the bishop. And as you can see, the king is forced to go back. And then, yes, we come here. Now that is a watertight solution now that I've put those 2 pawns in place. So just note that. So we've employed the Indian theme. Let's just put this back to how it was. But let's take these pawns off the board. So we're back to the position in the previous short. Agreed? Yes. So white to checkmate in 3 moves from this position. Now, removing those pawns makes all the difference here. This is where the second solution comes in. And it's a motif that I've employed in 1 or 2 problems on YouTube. What is the key move here? Well, you unstalemate him this way. That is worth looking out for. And I'm glad that I saw it before anyone else did. There. King takes g8. What happens now? Well, what happens now is, do you see what I mean? There's no white pawn on c4, check. Now, if the king goes into the corner, like this, checkmate. Equally, if it goes here, that is checkmate. And we have stuck in both problems to J.H. Sarratt's limitation of not allowing that black f pawn to move.